Hi guys and welcome. In this video I want to share with you something really impressive. If you do have a WordPress website and you aren't happy with its speed, with its loading speed and so on, definitely you need to check out 10 Web Booster Website Speed Optimization and Page Speed Optimizer. This is fantastic tool that will let you to make your website really fast, more efficient, and just in couple clicks, and it's free for anyone, literally. All the useful links, as usual, you can find in the description panel of this video. Let's take a look to this spot where you can find this plugins, this WordPress.org, and you can check it out by yourself. 10 Web Booster is the speed optimization plugin for improving the overall performance of any website. 10 Web Booster wants you to focus and thrive on the creative aspects of your WordPress website by allowing us to concentrate on your WordPress performance optimization set on the website. And let's take a look. What are the benefits of this tool? Automated 90+ page speed, 90+. If you're familiar with the WordPress, definitely you know what does it mean. Optimize core web vitals, higher search engine rankings, up to 7% boost in conversions, up to 40% boost in visitor engagement, up to 53% mobile traffic engagement boost. How it works: optimization of homepage plus 5 pages, embed images included. 10 Web Booster is made possible thanks to dozens of technical optimization, CSS and HTML, JS modification and compression, image optimization, differ JavaScript and CSS execution, critical CSS, image lazy load, front swap, conversion of image format to WebP, iframe and video lazy load, container specific image resizing, and there's a pro version, of course. So all the useful links, again, I want to remind you that you can find in the description panel of this video to check it out by yourself. And I want to show you how this tool works and how easy it is to optimize your website if it's built on a WordPress. Let's jump inside. Okay, guys, we need to activate 10 Web Booster. And it will take some time to analyze, optimize, compress images, and calculate the new score. Now let's take a look here. The performance is 91 on mobile devices, and on the computers 91 also. This is absolutely cool. And it's not yet done, actually. 84% completed. But productivity and performance right now is absolutely cool. 91, guys, just in couple clicks. Just in couple clicks. This is absolutely fantastic results for the plugin that is free. Of course, you do have the paid version, but this is something crazy. This is really something crazy. And here you go. Original score and optimized score. These results are totally cool and absolutely insane. Let's go to GD Metrics also to check it out. Okay, 99 of 100. 99 of 100. This is absolutely cool. I haven't seen yet any other tool that would let you to optimize your page in couple clicks, guys. And we're now homepage has optimized, mobile score 99, desktop score 100, and this is really cool. Of course you do have Booster Pro from $6 per month, but in the free version it's also absolutely great results. You can check hosting performance also here. Look at that. And a lot of interesting things, and you can make it just in one click. And this is really cool. And we do have fantastic score using this plugin. Guys, I'm just impressed, totally impressed. Of course, you can you can upgrade your free plan to paid one. Guys, all the useful links you can find in the description panel of this video. You definitely need to check it out, because this is absolutely powerful, reliable, and one of the greatest tools that I've ever seen for your WordPress website. All the useful links you can find in the description panel of this video. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Hope you enjoyed and hope this was really useful. Cheers, take care, and bye-bye.